Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking the message to a single, clear sentence and choosing who will deliver it. Once done, confirm the messenger's credibility and tone match the message. This alignment prevents mixed signals. Make sure to pick the first channel that maximizes attention: email for records, DM for speed, call for nuance. You then create a brief script and a 30-60-second opener the messenger can use, so their first contact is confident and on message. Now execute. Coach the messenger on phrasing, anticipated questions, and 3 bridging lines to bring conversations back to the message. Once comfortable, equip them with a one-pager and a visual to reinforce points. Make sure to plan the sequence: initial outreach, a timely follow-up within 48 hours, then a broader public share if appropriate. As you do this, monitor tone and feedback so you can adjust language and assets quickly to keep credibility intact. Finish by securing a clear next step. Ask for confirmation or a specific action so you know the message landed. Once done, gather metrics and direct feedback to evaluate impact, looking at opens, replies, and qualitative cues. If results fall short, make a fast change. Either tweak the wording or swap the messenger for someone with better fit. A key troubleshooting tip: if tone mismatch causes confusion, pause public sharing and realign voice before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.